In the cheerful little town of Glarewood, two sisters called Melinda and Belinda loved Saturday mornings more than anything. Well, nearly anything. They loved pancakes even more. Every Saturday, their kitchen turned into a busy pancake workshop. There were bowls and spoons, flour and milk, eggs and bananas, strawberries, and a bottle of maple syrup that shone like liquid treasure. Melinda loved to flip. Belinda loved to decorate. "I am going to make a pancake bigger than my plate," Melinda declared. "And I am going to make mine look like a smiling sun," said Belinda. Their mother chuckled. "Before we start, what do you think is the most important ingredient?" "Flour," cried Melinda. "Eggs," said Belinda. Their mother smiled. "Kindness." The girls giggled. "Kindness is not an ingredient," said Melinda. "Not in the bowl," their mother replied, "but it makes everything taste better." They did not understand yet, though they soon would. Their mother helped them measure the flour carefully, then the baking powder, sugar and salt. In went the egg, the milk and the melted butter. Belinda stirred slowly. Melinda watched the bowl very closely, just in case it tried to escape. Splutter. A puff of flour floated into Belinda's nose. "You have a flour mustache," laughed Melinda. Belinda burst out laughing too. Then Melinda nudged the bowl by accident, and the batter slid alarmingly near the edge. "Oh no!" she squeaked. Belinda rushed forward and steadied it. "Caught it." Their mother nodded. Cooking together means helping each other. At last it was time for the pan. Their mother poured in a little batter. It sizzled softly, and tiny bubbles began to appear. "When the edges look set, it is ready to flip," she explained. Melinda held her breath. With her mother's help, she turned the pancake over. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!